Hello everyone. The words do, does, and did often cause confusion in the English language that how and when to use them. Don't worry, I will tell you about the correct uses of do, does, and did. So let's start. Do, does, and did are all forms of the verb to do. First, we'll start with do and does. We use them in simple present tense. In simple present tense, if the subject is I, you, we, they, or any plural noun, then we use do. For example, I do a lot of work these days. You do nothing at all. We do clean our home on weekdays. They do play cricket on Sundays. Parth and Nakul do their homework in the evening. Let's see how to use do in negative sentences. To understand this, here I am taking a sentence of simple present tense. I like chocolates. What is main verb here? It is like. So, let's make this sentence negative. In English, for making negative sentence, we add not to the helping verb in the sentence. But we have only one verb in this sentence, like, which is main verb. So, we add do as a helping verb in the sentence. Then we put not next to it. I do not like chocolates is the negative sentence. In speech, we usually shorten this to don't. I don't like chocolates. Now, let's see how to use do in interrogative sentences. I like chocolates. Let's make this a question. We put do right at the beginning of the sentence and question mark in the end. In simple present tense, if the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun, then we use does. For example, he does his exercises every day. She does want to watch a movie. Viha does her homework daily. Now, let's see how to use does in negative sentences. To understand this, I am taking a sentence of simple present tense. She dances well. Dances is the main verb in this sentence. To form the negative sentence, we will use does with it. Since we already have an S in does, we remove it from the main verb. She does not dance well or she doesn't dance well. Let's see how to use does in interrogative sentences. Remember to remove S from main verb. Then we put does at the beginning of the sentence and question mark in the end. So, when we talk about simple present tense, we use do or does. When we talk about simple past tense, we use did. For any subject in past tense, we use did. I, you, we, they, plural noun, he, she, it, or with singular noun, we use did. For example, I did brush my teeth. Here we have brush as main verb and did as helping verb. So to make a negative sentence, we will simply add not after our helping verb. I did not brush my teeth, or I didn't brush my teeth. And to make caution, we put did at the beginning of the sentence and question mark in the end. That was really easy. I hope that now you have understood the correct uses of do, does, and did. Thank you all.